Yo, is that the Crichton Jordan?
Oh yeah, we're here, baby.
We are?
Yeah. Got the truck.
But no side by side.
Yeah, no side. I was gonna bring it, but I didn't want to pay the extra $100. So.
I told you I would say half. look, it all looks good.
Yeah, Fortune's kind of clean from the old road. A lot of bugs on her. But...
Oh, you should see the Shorty right now. It is like trash. Haven't washed it since Showdown in the Holler.
Yeah.
And it's sitting in premium. So it's
Oh,
kind of like.
hopefully she wins a trophy.
Yeah, I don't think so.
So.
And the link or look at like this Lena.
Are you getting it, Eric? Yo, is that Reaper Media?
I don't think so, man.
Oh, where's the truck?
On the other side, I blew a coolant line.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I gotta go to Riley's, get a coolant line, replace it, make it look good.
All right, I'm gonna have to go and see the truck here soon.
Oh yeah, it's on the other side. You see a little shit box without a hood. So
Okay.
you'll find it.
All right. Hey, 1 out of 10, how are you rating the show?
Huh?
1 out of 10, how are you rating the show?
It'd be a 10 if you fucking just let one eat right here.
I think so.
But as of right now, like a 6.5.
Okay.
6.5, yeah.
You want another?
Is that the Aiden Evans from
It
BBK?
is. It's the Aiden Evans.
Hey.
Like shit.
Oh, hold on. Let me set this down. If you guys need lighting, make sure you hit up Aiden with BBK Lighting. Some of the best on the market.
We are the go-to company for all your lighting needs.
And pretty much the cheapest, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So make sure you go check them out. Have awesome product. So yeah, check them out. Well, Creighton, what do you say? We both got trophies
this year.
this year. So this is the second year in a row for me. This is.
I don't know. Did I get one?
Did you get one last year?
I can't remember. Yes, I did.
Okay, so 2 years in a row.
Yep.
Well, 3 years in a row for you.
Bring back old hardware home.
Yep. So I guess let's do this again next year. And,
Yes, sir.
hope you guys enjoyed.
Next year I'll have powdered axles though.
Yes, and I don't know if I will.
Yeah.
But I guess like and subscribe and have a good one.